So last class, we have discussed about few commands related to file. So what are the commands we have discussed? The commands we discussed are like mainly related to file only. Diff command, compare command, along with diff and compare. We also discussed about common and even these are even tr command. So tr command is one of the very good important. It is having a lots of features. I mean, whenever you want to change the format of a file, if you want to convert the characters, or you want to squeeze, or you want to delete, and those kind of operations we can achieve with tr. And then we also discussed about the compare, diff, and common. So compare command is used to compare the it compares by character. So we can also call it as byte by byte. So as per computer terminology, we should call it as a byte because 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, right? So maximum a character, excepting any special characters or any our local language characters, they don't go more than except that remaining alphabetical character, alphanumerics and all will be almost 8 bits only. So it will do the comparison on byte by byte. So whichever the bytes we are having differences, that will show that those differences we will get it. And if you want to get all the differences together, we have to use the cmp-l. And we're also having a diff and sdiff. So the preferable command always is a diff command, diff and sdiff. So sdiff means less than means the content which is not available, I mean, which is not matching on file 2. Greater than means this line is not matching on file 1. Like that, we'll get the that way we can able to get the differentiations. That way we can able to get the differentiations. So even SDIF means side by side comparisons, that will also be very helpful. And we're also having few more internals. We're also having few more commands which are common. The common command is mainly to get the common lines between two files. So whatever the common lines are available, that we can able to get by using the COMM. So basically, common command displays three lines of output. Line one or field one, we can consider the lines, the data which is not available on file 2, and similarly field 2 vice versa, and of field 3 is the common records between these two. We can able to get by using by using this CYMM command. CYMM command is also very helpful command. So whenever you want to get the detail, these are the different options. So but for all diff command, cmp command, so in order to get the better results, I don't know why people are continuously. So in order to get the better results, so in order to get better results, better results for unique, CMP, common, and diff. Always sort the data. Always sort the data. Sort the data and and apply. So once you apply, then only will get the better results. In order to get a better results, that is the one option. That is one of the so easiest option we are having. So we are having. So I hope it's clear for everyone. So let's start today's class. So as part of today's we'll discuss about few more commands which are tar. So which are tar and zip command. So I mean these are all the further commands what we are going to discuss. This will mainly work for this mainly works for file only. This mainly works for file only. So now let's discuss about this tar, antar, zip and all. So before going to further, so if you are having any doubts, so let me know so that we can discuss on that. So any further doubts? Okay. So now today's command, okay, mainly we are going to discuss about we are going to discuss about tar command. So the tar command is mainly, so okay, with the help of tar command we can able to create an archive. So okay, what is the meaning of archive? So for example, if you go with tar command, so with help of tar command, if you are having multiple files or directories, so almost tar command is also as similar as folder. So as you know that folder, so for example, if you take a folder, folder mainly contains files and along with folders and subfolders, right? Similarly, tar command, what we go with tar command is, so with help of tar command, so we can able to create an archive. So it won't be kind of a directory, but so the multiple files or directories, we are going to keep it on one place. So on top of it, if you want, we can also compress the size. So for example, if you're having a file, so there is a file, so the file size is the use cases of tar command is, the use cases of tar command is, so you want to transfer the files from one server to another server, or so if you want to download the file, or if you want to upload the file from your server to internet, or vice versa. So if you are having if you are having so if you take it as a if you take a Java, all the Java files we call it as a dot jar. So that is we can call it as a Java archive file. What is the meaning of archive file? So which means that so which means that the list of the list of related commands, sorry, related files or folders, we are keeping it on one place. We are keeping it on one place. So similarly, so what we can do is, so once you, I mean, for example, if you're having a relevant files or relevant folders, and if you want to keep it if you want to create one archive, and later if you want to upload or download or transfer, for that purposes, mainly for that purposes, we can use this tar command. So mainly the tar command is used to archive the files. Mainly it is mainly for so archiving the files. And one more advantages of tar command is, so consider if you are having a too many of the files, so consider you are having a there is a source, you are let's consider as a school. In a school, I mean generally, for example, if you take a school or colleges, or even, so mainly, so your school is established on 10 years back or 20 years back. So if you are trying to maintain, so if you are trying to maintain 20 years 20 years students data data as it is, so what will happen? So it unnecessarily it occupies some space, unnecessarily it occupies some space. So what we can do is, so what we can do is, we can able to create one archive file. So we can able to create one archive file, so backup file. So for example, entire 2000 for example, so 2000 10 data, I mean the usage of for example, so if you take the 2010 data, so the 2010 data, people don't require even, so we are having 2010 data. So let's consider as students, and even the reading the files, and even the writing the data into that files, it's very limited, right? For example, 2010 means 10 means it is pretty old files, it is pretty old data, and the operations on that data is very less, or it's very minimal, it's very minimal. So in that case, what we can do is, but the size of 2010, actually the size of the 2010 folder is 5 GB. The entire size is 5 GB. But now you have decided that you don't want to maintain 5 GB of the data. Instead of maintaining the 5 GB of the data, so what Unix allows us is, we can able to create a one tar file. So we can able to archive that data. So archive in the sense like we can create we can create one tape archive. We can call it as a tape archive. So we can compress that. Later we can also compress it. So here the advantages are, so after compressing, the size of the file reduces from 5 GB to 2 GB or 1 GB. And even that even from the tape archive we can also fetch the data. So the way how we fetch the data, because because the operations on that operations on that data, what are the operations, read and write operations on that data is very minimal. So we is very minimal, but we needed it, we needed it. So as per the standards, so in that case we can able to create a archive file, and we can reduce that. We can also compress it, we can also compress it. So then we can remove the original folder, so 2020 folder. So now you have created an archive file. So this archive file contains the data which contains by 2025. So now the size of archival is 2 GB. The size of original folder is 5 GB. So we can go ahead and remove that. So we can claim 3 GB of space. But the disadvantages of tar command is, in future whenever if you are trying to read the data, so if you want to extract the data, or if you want to see the content of the file, so it may take some time, because so directly entering directly searching, and for example if you take a general example. So if you are having assume that if you are entering into one office, so where in the office, so if you don't have any if you don't have any security guy, directly we can enter, there won't be any delay. If you're having a security guy, then they will validate your they validate your ID card. So if once he decided that you are correct person, then only he will allow us us to enter into the buildings, right? Similarly, so if we are trying to the advantages are, we can compress the size, we can compress the we can climb some space on disk. But what are the bottlenecks, in future? If you want to extract the data from that folder, so earlier if it is taking 5 seconds of time to fetch the data, now it will take 7 or 8 seconds of data. So that kind of drawbacks are there. But on that folder the operations are very less, right? So once in a blue moon, we get the requirements. So in that case, so we can climb the space. That is the one thing. Or in the same way, so if you want to assume that a bulk of data, so you have developed a program, so the size of the program is 10 GB, or it is 1 GB. Now we want to send this 1 GB to some other system, but your network limitations are 500 MB. So in this case we have to split the code, and we can send it. Otherwise we can create a archive, and we can compress the size, and we can send it. We can send it. So the same, we are having a Java, right? .jar files, we can call it as a Java archive files. So similarly in Unix also, so we are having a tar command. So with help of this tar command, so the primarily used for archiving the files. So the intent of tar is tape and archive. So it is mainly historical. I mean, so to reduce the size and all, we'll go with this tar command. So the for example, the common use cases of tar commands are, so to reducing the file size, while if you want to group multiple related files into one place, for those purposes we use this tar command. So then at the same time, uh, the syntax of tar command is tar, so options, file dot tar. So you need to specify the, so we need to specify the file dot the tar file name, and inputs. There is no limits on inputs. We can provide input as either file or directory, either file or directory. So the real use cases of this one is either backup of files or directories. So this we have discussed. And the second one is we can also, okay, as I told you that if you developed any program or okay, any okay program, that program is having okay, in order to so assume that okay, you have developed a program. That program you have developed one okay utility. Sorry, you have developed an utility. For that utility, okay, a kind of software. Assume that you have developed a software. For that software, okay, okay, that software is a combination of okay 100 100 programs. So these 100 programs, okay, we can what we can do is okay, we can able to create as a package. So with help of tar command, we can also create a package okay for software or okay projects. So that is also one advantages. And other advantages is, so when you are trying to transfer the files okay, from one server to another server, it will also okay, reduce the, it also okay, I mean, so fastly we can able to transfer the files, and okay, we can perform the operations. We can it also allows us to extract a specific file, whichever the file you want. And it also okay preserve the file structure, whatever the file structure is having, it won't change okay any file okay properties, and all it preserves the okay file properties. So these are the okay different okay use cases, these are the different okay use cases. So the syntax of okay tar command is, so let's go to okay, our home folder. So now, so for example, if you want to know the size of okay, if you want to know the size of okay each folder, so what is the okay, size of okay each folder? So if you go with okay du-sch okay star, so okay here okay the size of okay each guys are like 4 KB, 68 KB or something. Consider that you have okay you have consider for one of the project okay you have created okay these many okay folders, this many folders, and these many files okay you have created. Now now if you want to okay send okay the list of files or directories to okay some other system, or if somebody wants to okay download okay this software, for example, a very simple example, if you take if you down okay if you consider okay any app in your mobile, we are having lots of apps, right? Amazon app is there, Flipkart app, there are multiple apps are there. So that apps means, so in order to run that apps in a background, they are going to okay, they might have developed okay hundreds of programs. Those hundreds of the programs, they are going to keep it on okay one package. And that package okay, for example, if you are if it is Amazon, so they are okay they are specifying as okay, for example, okay Amazon Prime. So Amazon Prime so is the package name. So that package name is contains okay a list of okay associated okay programs. So if you want to make such kind of okay, such kind of packages, so then tar is the only option to create okay archive, to create a so archive, and okay to create okay some kind of packages grouping the relevant objects into single, that okay we can achieve with this tar command. Now, if you go with tar command, tar hyphen hyphen help. So as part of okay tar command, if you go with hyphen hyphen okay help, so which is having a lot many options okay we are having on okay tar command. So tar command is also one of the so vast command okay which is having lots of okay features. So if you want to create a file, so if you want to create a tar command, so we need to use, so these are all the okay, different okay options. So if you go with okay hyphen c, so first we'll discuss about okay hyphen c. So hyphen c means so create a new archive. So hyphen c means so create a okay new archive. So okay the first one is hyphen c means create a okay new archive. And okay if you go with okay then we're also having okay f. So f means okay to specify a, so for example okay if you go with okay f means to specify the to specify the okay file name, to specify the okay file name. So what is the, so in order to okay specify the okay file name, we have to specify hyphen f, file is equals to archive. So use the archive file or okay device okay archive. And so okay we're also okay having okay lot many lot many usages. If you go with okay hyphen v option, so hyphen v what it does means, it is a okay verbose case, it is a so okay verbose. So it will try to okay display so what exactly okay what kind of operations are going to perform, those operations will show on okay hyphen okay v option. So hyphen v means verbose. So verbosely okay list okay files process, which means that what exact operation is performed, that okay those details okay we can able to get by using this okay verbose. So first we'll try to create okay, tar file, okay, using these three options. Then slowly we will try to okay, learn okay, remaining options. Slowly we'll try to learn so remaining okay options. So now, so I have a file. Okay, I mean let's create. So okay, I have a okay, now I want to create tar hyphen okay c okay, v is not needed. So basically, so okay, v is not needed. But if you okay, we will see the differences without of okay v. So okay, with okay v. So for example, so tar underscore test dot okay tar. So I mean data you have to explicitly specify whether it is a file okay, okay data okay, I mean if you are going to specify the extension as data, you will come to know that okay, this is a tar file. So this is the I mean Unix, even though if you are not mentioning data, Unix okay, creates a tar file. Unix creates a okay, tar file, but in future you okay, I mean it's not in future, like after some days okay, if you are trying to okay open, if you are trying to perform the operation, so you can't remember okay everything, so you can't remember okay everything. So okay, as a best practice, it's your responsibility to okay, it's your responsibility to okay specify the okay extension. Yeah, responsibility to specify the okay extension. So now if I specify star, so star means so star or all we can specify. So okay, here okay, for example okay, if you go with okay this, so okay here, so whatever you want, so then it will create a okay, tar files. It will create the okay tar file. Now ls hyphen okay lrt. So if you execute okay hyphen v, so after running this okay hyphen v command, it's clearly stating that so these many files or these many directories okay added okay as part of okay as part of this okay archive, as part of this okay archive, as part of okay archive. Whereas if you try to okay use okay, if I try to create okay without of v, so if I mention okay test underscore okay one data, so you don't okay get. So v means okay, what is the intent of okay differences of hyphen v with hyphen without hyphen v. Hyphen v means verbose, verbosely okay list okay files process, which means that it will display. So these are all the files okay added into the tar file. So if you use the hyphen v, so okay, I mean if it is having some files okay, if it is a directory, inside the directory what are all the files are having, all those details it okay shows us if you use okay hyphen v. If you don't use hyphen v, so okay we can't able to, so we can't able to okay get okay those details okay what exactly the operations okay performed. Now, so okay, for example, the okay one more thing is tar is a another tar is a command. With the help of tar command, we can also create a new file. Okay, we can able to create a new file in Unix with the help of existing files. So with help of existing files. Similarly, cp command also we are trying. I mean, each command is having their own functionalities. But if somebody asks you that what are the different ways to create a file, cp is also another. Okay, cp is also a way to create a file with help of existing file. And similarly, tar command. And okay, similarly tar command. With help of tar command, we are able to create a new file with the help of okay existing files. With help of the say existing files. So now if you execute the size ls-lrth, the size. So the size of this file is 1.1 MB, and again the size of this guy is also 1.1 MB. 1.1 MB. Now, so after creation of the tar command, so if you want to see what are all the okay, what are all the list of okay files, okay, what are the list, if you want to get the list of content which is available in tar file, which is available in tar file, then okay we can use this okay tar hyphen t okay tf. So if you go with tar hyphen tf, it will show us what are all the files are okay, I mean the list of content. If you go with okay hyphen t, so with help of okay hyphen t, so what we can able to get with help of hyphen t, so okay we can get, so we can get the, so okay we can okay get the list of okay list of, so we can get the okay list of we can get the okay we can get the content of okay we can get the content of, so okay we can get the okay content of okay content of okay content of okay content of tar, content of okay tar. So now let's go. For example, now this many details are available. So for example, if you want to add a new file, so if you want to add a new file to the existing tar file, so the existing tar file, so assume that okay, now I want to add okay, Russia and okay, India to the existing okay, tar files. So in this case, so okay, in this case, how we can do is tar hyphen, so now avf, so tar hyphen okay, af, so a means okay, append, f means file name, so f is mandatorily so okay, needed it, so af, then okay, mention okay, this guy, so for example okay, test one, and okay, we are also going to use the India and okay, Russia. So in this case, these three files we are going to append into the, so okay, we are going to okay, append so okay, we are going to, so R. So for example, so if you go with okay, RF, so okay, I mean now let's execute. So tar hyphen, so okay, tar hyphen okay, TF, so tar hyphen okay, TF, test one okay, dot okay, tar, test one dot okay, tar, okay, test one dot tar. Now we can able to see those files as well. So test one, India and Russia. So hyphen T, not okay, hyphen, so R. So with help of hyphen R, so okay, we can add, so we can add okay, new files to the okay, to the existing, to the okay, to the existing okay, to the existing okay, tar, to the existing okay, tar. Now tar hyphen hyphen okay, help. So here, so okay, here the options are, what are the options we have discussed? So hyphen A means, so concatenate. So append the files to an okay, archive. So if you go with okay, capital hyphen A, so let's use this okay, capital okay, hyphen A. So the capital hyphen A, they are saying that we can able to okay, append the okay, we can able to okay, append the okay, okay, new files, I mean files to the existing content. Let's use this okay, India.20. So let's see whether it will work or it will fail. So we can also use the hyphen A. So hyphen R, hyphen capital A, we can add okay, new lines to the existing okay, files. Now execute tar hyphen okay, TF, tar hyphen test dot okay, 20. So in this case, what will happen? That okay, India 20. So where the India 20 is added. So okay, let's check this. Okay, oh, it's not added. So maybe the existing okay, I mean the intent of this okay, this guy is, so it's not okay, added. So okay, tar hyphen hyphen okay, help. So now, so if you use that okay, further options, so if you okay, if you try to okay, learn the further options, hyphen C. So okay, between the archive and okay, file system. So if you want to get the okay, differences, we can use this okay, hyphen D. But okay, find the differences between the archive and okay, file system, we can use this okay, hyphen D. So hyphen R we already discussed, append. Hyphen T means okay, list, and okay, hyphen U means okay, update. Only append the files newer than okay, copy in okay, archive. So what is the meaning of okay, append? So U means okay, update. U means okay, update. So now, so okay, let's consider. So okay, let's consider. Okay, I have a, the India.txt is already having the data. So cat. So okay, tar underscore okay, test, tar underscore okay, test. So greater than India dot okay, txt. So okay, India dot okay, txt. So echo, just use the okay, echo command. So echo, so nice to okay, use. So for example, now, so okay, I mean the India.txt is already part of, so tar hyphen tf, so tar hyphen tf, pipe okay, grep hyphen I, so India.txt, whether this file is available or not. So this file is okay, available. So this file is so available. So but it is in okay, under okay, India.txt. So now let's execute tar hyphen okay, tf, test1 dot tar. So there is a okay, numbers.txt. There is a numbers.txt cat numbers.txt. So echo okay, echo 10. So greater than okay, numbers.txt. So okay, now okay, 11. So I'm going to okay, add the okay, new data. So cat numbers.txt. So now, so if you want to know that whether this file is available or not in tar command, how do we validate the same. So we can just use the tar hyphen okay tf and okay number.txt. So the number.txt file is available. Now, but this file, okay, for example, now this file is having, so okay, this file is okay, is having old data, but whereas that okay numbers.txt we have appended the data, so we have appended the so data. So for example, okay, now you want to okay append, now you want to add this okay, now you want to okay, I mean, so now we you made changes on that okay source file, I mean this is the file we made the changes. Now if you want to okay append if you want to so replace the old file which is number.txt and okay then add the new, then okay we can go with okay the further okay options star hyphen hyphen okay help. So what is the options okay we can use? So okay we can use the options card. So okay the options of okay this one is, so okay I mean okay here, so okay, okay, Ivory means okay update. So only append the files newer than copy into the okay archive. So this is for the hyphen u option. Now we'll discuss about okay hyphen so okay x option. So these are the okay different options, but we don't use okay this many. So on day-to-day basis. So whatever there in the okay, beginning, those are all the major commands okay we use it on okay day-to-day basis. So when it comes with okay here, so now, so we are having okay this tar command. So mkdir. Now I'm going to okay copy. Now I'm going to okay move this okay tar underscore test to okay to this okay directory. Now go to inside okay this directory. Now so we are okay. For example, you have downloaded the tar file. So assume that okay, we have a tar file. Now, if you want to, so okay, if you want to, so extract a specific okay, file okay from this tar file. So how can we do that? Tar hyphen so tf so tar underscore test dot tar. We can able to get the content. Whereas okay, from this content, so if you want to extract, so if you want to extract a specific file, so if you want to extract a specific file, for example, okay, paste underscore test.txt you want to extract, then we can simply so extract okay, by using hyphen x option. So if you go and okay check, so okay now grep hyphen I, let's see whether this file is available or not in test.tr. So okay we are okay we can able to extract, so we can able to extract a specific file. So okay specific file okay from, so you want to extract specific file from okay tar okay from tar, we need to use the, so okay we need to use okay hyphen x means so extract. So hyphen x means so extracts, with help of hyphen x we can able to so okay extract the okay we can able to okay extract the okay data. So hyphen x means to extract, to extract a okay to extract a okay to extract a specific okay specific okay file or okay full content okay full okay or, so we can also okay extract okay or okay entire data, so our entire, so okay our entire okay information. So if you want to okay get all the details, what you can do is tar hyphen so xf so tar underscore test that okay star. If you just use the star command, so tar hyphen okay just if you just I mean if you don't use the star symbol, so okay we can able to extract all the content. We can able to extract all the okay content. See, this much of data is available on okay here. So tar hyphen xf, so with help of hyphen x by default, so by default what is the hyphen x? Extract the files from an archive. So extract the files from an archive. Okay, by default okay by default, so by default, so by default okay it extracts, so it extracts okay all files okay from okay all files from okay archive. That is the default behavior, that is the default behavior of so hyphen okay x option okay hyphen so okay x option. So okay here, so we're also I mean so we learn about so multiple rights, so how to create archive, and okay now let's discuss about okay few more internal options on okay tar command. So okay we learn about So we're clear on, okay. I mean, A means concatenate. This is append the tar files to an archive. So C we know, okay. R append. T means okay, list. Hyphen U means update. Only append files, okay, newer than copy in archive. And hyphen X means extract. This we discuss. So these are the operation modifiers. So hyphen check device means check the device number. This is not okay that much okay helpful. So, okay, archives in seekable. So, hyphen S, this is also not needed. So, for example, okay, overwrite, okay, control. So, for example, okay, keep old files, keep newer files. For example, if you go with hyphen K option, don't replace the existing files when extracting. Okay, treat them and okay, treat them. And okay, hyphen U means okay, unlink, okay, first. So, verify. So, this is not that much needed. So okay, we're also okay having okay one more options. Okay, device blocking is not okay that much needed. So okay, we're also okay having this is the important okay option. So hyphen okay Z option. So hyphen Z option what it does means. So with help of okay hyphen okay Z option. So with help of hyphen Z option, we can able to. So with help of now we have created the. So with help of, as of now we just created archive. So we just created a okay archive. So okay after creation of archive, so if you want to reduce the file size, if you want to reduce the file size, so if you want to reduce the file size, you must have to use the hyphen Z option. You must have to use the hyphen okay Z option. Hyphen Z means okay gzip. So filter the archive through zip. And okay, hyphen Z means compress or okay, uncompress. So hyphen C option is also one of the okay, important. So okay, apart from that, the remaining things are okay, not that much. I mean, we can use it whenever there is a requirement, but okay, basically okay, we don't okay use that much. So for example, okay, hyphen okay usage usage. So these are all the. So if you execute hyphen usage also, so you will get okay hyphen file archive force the multiple options okay you will okay get it. Now so let's try to so rm minus okay now stat command just execute the okay, stat command. So okay here stat command. So okay we'll come to know that okay stat command. So whether okay I mean here also okay, that is okay modify time, access time and change time, and the file type is regular file. So for example, even for a normal file also will get regular file, and tar file also will get a regular file. So if you are not going to specify dot tar, so it will be difficult for you to okay, identify whether it is a tar file or okay, any other okay, details. It is a tar file or say any other okay. I mean to differentiate that, so we should okay use this. So okay we should okay use this okay tar okay use this okay extension. So now so rm minus rf while creating a tar command. So while creating a tar command, so for example now test.tar, I'm going to okay specify this one all the okay content. I'm okay all the details I'm going to okay specify. So here tar-cvf. So if you want to compress the size, so if you want earlier, what is the size of this guy? 113640, right? Now, if I try to use okay Z option, you can okay you will come to know the so okay real use case okay Z. Then okay here we have to provide the extension dot. So for example, if you don't specify the extension, let's see okay, how it behaves. So if you provide that okay extension, so okay how it okay behaves. So okay now so for example, okay, here tar dot okay gz. So I'm going to okay specify it as okay one. I'm not going to use the okay z. So we have created okay three tar files. We have created the okay three okay tar files. Sorry, rm minus rf. Going to remove these things. So tar hyphen cvf. So okay, here okay, if the file is not available, so you don't get any error also. Paste 0.txt. So okay, paste 1.txt, paste 2.txt. This is the full, okay, this is a plain. So total okay, three files, okay, three tar files okay we have created. So total okay, what happened? So after if okay should not specify. I mean, after if whatever you consider, okay, it is considering as okay file only. So okay, cvzf test2 dot okay tar. So let's remove this okay z rm minus f okay z. So now, if you try to see that ls-lrth, so okay, this tar command. What is the size of okay this tar command? If you don't apply, okay, I mean you can see the differentiations. You can see the so differentiation. The same commands only. If you are trying to use the z option, if you are trying to use the z option, ensure you must have to append your tar file name with .gz. Okay, dot okay gz. I will explain. So okay, okay how the okay how it compress the okay, file size and all. It follows okay Huffman coding, and there are okay two techniques. With help of those two techniques, okay, it mainly okay it reduce the okay it reduce the content of the it reduce the okay, size of the file that we will discuss on okay after some time. So if you go with okay hyphen z option, so it will also compress the file size. So this guy, the size of this guy is 1.1 MB, and okay the size of okay I mean without of okay dot z option, the size is okay 1.1 MB. Whereas if you go with okay dot gz, okay if you when I apply the z option, so it compress the file sizes, it compresses the file sizes. After compressing the okay, file size, after compressing the file size, what is the size? The size is 361 okay kb. The size is 361 okay kb. So you can see the okay differentiation. So 1.1 MB means so okay 1024 okay kilobytes, and again okay 1 MB. So you can imagine that. So how much it is reduced? Almost okay 60% of okay space okay almost we have reduced the we have reduced okay 60% of okay actual okay size on okay actual size by using dot okay z option. So that is the major advantages of using compression techniques. If you go with the compression techniques, it reduces okay file size. Okay, it reduces the okay file size. Now for example, assume that after creation of a tar file, if you want to okay if you want to compress the file size, we can also go with okay gzip command. So gzip test.json. After running this command, it will create a one more file test0.tar and ls hyphen okay lrth. So we can able to see that. So earlier how many files we are having? Test1, now test 0. So I have applied that okay, gzip command for so tar underscore test 0 dot tar, right? So okay, now this will become as a again okay this will become as okay 361 okay kb. So which means that instead of okay using instead of okay using okay zip command explicitly, the intent of the zip command is to reduce the file size. In order to reduce the file size, we go with okay zip command. So we go with a gzip. Gzip means gun zip. So okay, there are different types of okay compression techniques. Even in Windows also we are having lots of compression techniques, right? Same in Unix also we are having lot many compression techniques. So one is like okay, the first one is okay zip, okay then okay gun zip, then compress, pack, bzip. Okay, there are different types of okay compression techniques. So okay, by default okay if you want to apply okay a gun zip functionality, we must have to use okay z option. So while creating okay, while creating while creating tar commands, while creating the tar command. So okay, any doubts on okay here? So if you're having any doubts, okay, let me know. So it's a kind of okay bit confusing. So okay, I mean basically in the simple okay, simply with help of tar command we can take a backups, and okay, we can also create a packages, and okay, we can also reduce the okay sizes after creating the backup. If there is a functionality to reduce the file size, we can go with that. And okay, if you okay, these are the okay major so okay advantages. So any further doubts on okay here? Say yes or no.
No, no.
So tar command is one of the most important command, but okay, we use it. I mean, we can also use any special characters and all. Special characters. Okay, okay, I thought of discussing special characters 2 days back itself, but it's got postponed. But yeah, we'll discuss about okay special characters maybe after maybe tomorrow's class or okay next class. I mean Saturday's class. Okay, we'll discuss. So in Unix, apart from the tar command is used to create an archive. So the advantages of tar command is once you create a tar command, okay, the existing files will be available at the same time. Okay, at the same time, okay, okay, even archive is also available. So if you want to reduce the okay, if you want to climb the space, you have to remove. So okay, you have to remove the original files. You have to delete. So we have to delete the original files. Then only we can able to climb the space. If you are if your requirement is to reduce the if you want to reduce the if you want to climb some space on hard disk, then we can go with tar command. After creation of tar command, you must have to remove the original files, then only you can claim the space. Otherwise if you are keeping both, so it will be extra burden on, so that will be okay extra burden on extra burden on file system. Okay. So once we create, once we create a tar file, so if you want, I mean, tar command will not reduce the file size. If you want to reduce the file size, we have to apply, so we have to apply compression techniques. We have to apply some compression. We have to reduce the okay, file size. How do we reduce the file size? In Unix, we are having a multiple commands. One is gzip, zip, compress, pack, and bzip. There are okay, multiple commands are available. So similarly, so for example, let's take it as okay this okay plain file. Okay, this is the file. So as of now, what is the size of this? Okay, for example, now go ahead and here. So we can apply that. Okay, first we'll discuss about the okay, gzip command. So with help of okay gzip command, what we can do is we can able to okay create okay we can able to so reduce the okay, file size. We can able to reduce the okay, file size. The syntax of gzip is just okay gzip okay file name, gzip file name, or okay archive okay or archive okay file name. So we cannot able to okay, create, we cannot for example if I try to apply the okay zip okay for directory, so you will get exception. It will says that zip is a directory. Okay, this tar underscore test 123 is a directory, we can't able to consider. So in order to, if you want to compress the file size, if you want to compress the directory size, you have to create a tar command. On top of tar command you need to apply the okay gzip. Whereas for example if you go with okay gzip, so okay here okay let's consider okay this file. The size of the okay, file is, we can also give multiple okay inputs. Now run it. So ls hyphen okay lrt pipe okay grep hyphen I test2 okay then okay test3 dot okay txt test3 dot okay txt. So in earlier, so okay, for example in earlier, what is the size of okay, what is the size of okay this test3 dot txt? The size of okay test3 dot txt is, so the size of okay test3.txt is, so okay test3, the size of test3.txt is 103131. Now what is the size of okay test3? It reduced to 36462. It reduced to 36462. So it could be okay bytes. So earlier what is the size? This is the okay, size. So after applying that, okay, after applying okay compression technique, what is the size? So okay, I mean this much of size it reduce almost 70% of okay space, okay 70% of okay file size, okay we have reduced it. So we have reduced it. This is the okay, main functionalities of okay zip command. So gzip command follows the Huffman coding and okay, one more technique. So those techniques okay we'll discuss on okay tomorrow. So once we okay, I mean as part of tar command, we cannot give input as a directory. It should be always okay files. So maximum, so max to max, it reduces the file size. Max to max, it reduces the okay file size. So now, so after that, so okay, after that, if you want to okay, I mean if there is a zip file and if you want to okay gun zip again, so then okay, again we have to use this okay g unzip. So the same okay gzip command we are having, right, same gzip, yeah, after g we have to mention unzip, g unzip, then okay this is the file name. So if you execute okay the same thing again, okay we can able to again we can able to okay again okay we can convert from compressed I mean so if you want to okay if you want to remove that okay compression technique, then okay we have to use the gunzip. Now if you execute that gunzip command, now it reaches to the same okay size. Okay we I mean we got the okay same size. So gzip and gunzip commands are mainly, so g okay gzip hyphen hyphen okay help. So gzip hyphen hyphen help. So by default, okay, gzip command, okay, by default, okay, gzip command, okay, removes the okay, original file, and okay, after completion of the after successful completion of okay compression. So I mean, if earlier we have seen the differentiate observation, right? If I try to apply okay gzip on okay this file, this india.txt will convert as a india.txt.gz, which means that it is removing the original file, and after successful completion of applying the compression, it is creating, I mean as part of command execution, it will create a file called okay .gz. So after successful completion of the commands, it will remove the old file, it will remove the okay original file. So it will remove the so okay original files. No india.txt will be okay, original file okay original file okay is removed. So whereas if you want to okay maintain the original file along with okay zip file, we can use okay hyphen c. So write a standard output, keep original files okay unchanged. So in this case, so what we can do okay gzip. So okay gzip okay hyphen c. So for example okay I have a okay file called test3.txt. So test3.txt, so okay is the file name, and okay okay for example if I mention so you want to keep that okay source file okay as it is, then okay we can use this okay hyphen okay c okay option. So that is the okay intent of hyphen okay c. So okay, write and standard output, keep original files okay unchanged. Hyphen D means okay decompress. So hyphen F means force, help, list. So list okay compressed file content. You can also use the hyphen L. So the queue, the remaining things are okay same, recursive and all okay the same. So so if you want to okay use this okay hyphen C okay hyphen C file name. So okay for example. So okay, just we need to use the greater than symbol at the end. So what will happen here is now test3 dot okay txt. So okay, this is a zip file, and we are also having the same. So but okay, we don't use the hyphen c option always, because hyphen c is not needed, right? Okay, eventually what our requirement is to compress the okay, file size, compress the okay, file size. So any doubts on this okay, two commands? Yeah, as I said that earlier. So gzip command okay follows. So mainly gzip command okay follows. So gzip command okay follows two techniques. Mainly the okay two techniques. So one is okay deflate algorithm. So one is okay deflate algorithm. So okay D E F L A T deflate algorithm, and it also follows. So okay, it also okay follows okay Huffman coding. It also follows the okay Huffman coding. So deflate and okay Huffman okay coding. So Huffman okay coding. So these are the internal techniques what it is going to okay use. So deflate, I mean the okay basically, so inside that okay deflate, I mean it follows the deflate algorithm. Inside the deflate algorithm, so we are having okay LJ okay double seven and okay LJ double seven okay compression and okay Huffman okay coding and Huffman okay coding. So what it does means, so the mainly the intent of okay LJ double seven means, so it is a kind of okay compression. Huffman coding is for the entropy encoding. So okay, if you go with okay this deflate, if you follow that okay deflate algorithm, I will try to explain okay with some examples on okay tomorrow how the okay deflate algorithm okay how it okay follows. So backend, okay, the backend options for the backend algorithm, okay, which follows by okay GGP is okay deflate. So again, deflate follows LJ double seven and Huffman coding. So mainly what LJ double seven compression means, wherever there are repetitive characters, those repetitive characters will replace with okay old value, okay with okay old okay numbers. Then Huffman coding will try to so reduce the okay sizes. These are the two techniques which follows by okay gzip command.